Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your YouTube search and watch history on the YouTube app for iPhone and Android. A lot of users don't realize that YouTube lets you manage your history in multiple ways. To get started, open the YouTube app and tap on your profile picture. From there, go to your Google account settings and select Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you see YouTube History and tap on it. Here you can completely turn off your history or fine-tune it by disabling just searches or watch history. You'll also find an option to set up auto-delete, so YouTube will automatically remove your history after 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. If you only want to remove specific searches or videos, tap on Manage History. You'll see a list of everything saved. Just find the item you want to remove and tap the X next to it. For quicker cleanup, you can also use the delete option to clear your history from today, a custom date range, or even all time. And that's it. That's how you can manage and delete your YouTube search and watch history right from the app. If this tip helped you out, don't forget to like the video. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.